Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 33 of the 100 days challenge to building yourself as a brand. And we are happy today. Okay? Yes, we are. So what happened is, first of all, I woke up today at 4 o'clock, and today I was much excited to wake up and work out. Okay, and that is because today I was going to go on the terrace and work out. That's why. So when I was having my periods, as I said in my last video, I did a very low exercises, yoga and all, and I was doing those in my room only. I didn't feel like climbing up the terrace and to go. I mean, I wanted to go, but there was like just no mood. Fine, so I was doing it in my room. But then today I was like, I want to go. I just want to go to terrace and work out because it was such a good time. I was enjoying working out on terrace. That's why today, after I woke up, I did a little bit of stretching and saw my vision board, which was like clearly not visible to my eyes because my eyes were not opening. They were like tiredly closed. Means my brain was awake, but eyes were closed. But anyways, I just kind of I saw the affirmations and all, and then I went and drank 2 glasses of warm water, and then went and prayed and changed into my workout clothes, and then I went to terrace. And there was one more thing. I saw the most beautiful moon today. I mean, the moon is the same, but today is a Punima night. Okay, it was a Punima day, and that's why, as it was very early, so around 4:40 I went to the terrace, and the moon was shining so bright. It was so orange. It was full moon, and it was full orange, and the light of the moon was like all the directions. It was so pretty. I really felt like excited looking at it. Okay, so yeah, the workout also went really nice. I started with the intense workout today, so it was good. I sweated a lot, and then I did my meditation. So I did a different meditation today. I lied down and did the meditation. In between, I saw the sky and it like focused on that, so it felt good. Okay, after that I did my breathing exercises, then I did my eye exercises, and yeah, that's it. So that was done. Then I set for journaling. So to spice up this journaling process, what I did was I put on YouTube and put a frequency. Okay, so you can just go on YouTube and type down manifesting frequency or journaling frequencies, and a good amount of videos are gonna come, and you can select whichever you like, and they really calms you down. Okay, so it's like a background music sound that is going on, a frequency that is going on. It's not gonna disturb you in any way, but it's just nice. It literally like relaxes, so kind of like romanticizing kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, I did that. After journaling, I kind of went through my vision board again because morning I had not seen it clearly, so I went through it and I did some affirmations as well. And after that, I didn't read my book today. I just like it went out of my head. Okay, then after that I put on some songs. It was devotional songs, and then I went and watered my plants, and it was like smiling today. I don't know why, but I was kind of happy. Then after that I went and took a bath, changed my clothes, I moisturized my body. Of course I do it every day, but I just felt to say it. But yeah, I did that, and then I went and did my skincare, and today I tried a new hairstyle. So it's like not new, but for me it's new because I tried it first time. So I went to Pinterest and looked for some summer hairstyles because I stay in a place where it's sweating hot. Like you will feel that you are bathing just sitting in one place. It's so hot over here. So I needed something to keep this hair out of my face, my neck as well. So I looked into this Pinterest and I got a cute hairstyle. So it is kind of a two buns which you're gonna do it on the side. Okay, so by that way it was a really good one because it did not come on my neck like behind and not even on my side. It was like hanging up, so it was really comfortable. I really loved the hairstyle and it's even cute. Like you roll it like twirl it from your forehead, maybe I think from like from the front line you twirl it full, and then at the behind your ears you put bun out of it. So yeah, it's a cute one. Then I did that. After that I prayed and then I went to have my breakfast because I was really hungry today. In the night I didn't had my dinner actually. Means I had one chapati and nothing else. So there was like no rice na. So I felt very hungry in the morning. So I went and I waited for my mom to make the breakfast like quickly. Then she made it and till then I was watching TV. Okay, I know I wasted my time over there, but chalo yaar, chalta hai. Okay. After that I had my breakfast and then I came up and I had to upload a YouTube video today. So I had like recorded it already, but there was editing was pending. So I started with the editing and kind of took a long time. It was afternoon till I edited the complete video, created a thumbnail, uploaded it to YouTube, and yeah, it took all afternoon. After that, after uploading the video, I had my lunch and then I came and started editing the photos that I have to post on my Instagram. So I did that, and after that I set for editing other videos for my this channel. So yeah, I did that, and then I went and had a short tea break, okay, kind of to romanticize my life. So I thought of doing that. I mean, I want to drink tea every day, but the effort of getting up, going and making the tea, I kind of procrastinate in that. So let's not talk about it. But today anyways I did that, and then after taking that tea break I started with my other work, editing and all, and uploading, scheduling, all that things. And yeah, finally then almost the day came to an end. After doing all the work I winded it up, closed it, kept all the things in their places, and then I got and freshened up. So washed my face, washed my hands and my legs, changed into my night dress, and I then went and prayed. Then I went and had my dinner. So yeah, it's kind of getting late to have dinner because I had told that I'm gonna have my dinner at 6 o'clock, but I don't know, because 6 o'clock after having my lunch, which is usually at 2 or 3 o'clock, sorry, not 3 o'clock, but 2 to 2:30 will be my lunch. So I don't feel hungry. I'll be just like full even by 6 o'clock. That's why I don't feel like having it. But when it crosses 7, I start to feel like having my dinner, and that's why that timing is like not matching. If I have my lunch at 1 or 1:30, I think that will be proper to have my dinner at 6 o'clock. But as it is not happening at that time, so I kind of have my dinner also late. But okay, we will see, we'll work on that. Anyways, after having my dinner, I watched TV for some time along with the dinner. Okay, I watched it for some time, and then I kind of went for scrolling, because of course I did work the whole day, right? So abhi thoda break is fine. I need rest also in between. So yeah, I did that, and anyways it was time to go to sleep. So I just did a little bit of scrolling and then did my skincare, read my Bhagavad Gita for 10 minutes, and then I went to sleep at 8:30. So yeah guys, that is how my day 33 ended. It was quite productive, and I even enjoyed. Means it was not very stressful that I have to do this. No, it was not. I took my time, I did edit, put everything, and yeah, it kind of like enjoyed also and did my work also, and that keeps me motivated to do even more work. So I liked it. Okay, so it was a good day. Hashtag good day. Anyways, so yeah, this video came to an end now. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.